What's the meaning of Alicia Markova? Alicia Markova. Alicia Markova. Alicia Markova. Alicia Markova. Alicia Markova.
Alicia Markova was an English ballerina and choreographer who was born on December 1, 1910 and died on December 2, 2004. She was renowned for her graceful performances and significant contributions to the development of ballet in the 20th century. Markova began her career with Sergei Diaghilev's ballets Russes and later went on to co-found the English National Ballet. She also performed as a guest artist with various world-renowned ballet companies across the globe. Her legacy remains prominent in the ballet world, and she is celebrated as one of the most influential figures in dance history.